This is Sal D'Alia for Adorama TV, and in this quick hands-on video, I'll be talking about the Sony 16-25mm F2.8 G lens. I use a pair with the Alpha 7CR, and you can see how compact and lightweight the whole setup is. The 16-25mm F2.8 is a new addition to the realm of ultra-wide zoom lenses. This lens stands out for photographer and videographer who prioritize field of view, consistent f2.8 aperture, and image quality. This lens can become an indispensable tool for architectural, interior, landscape, and astrophotography, as well as vlogging. It has great autofocus capabilities and a travel-friendly build. It's incredibly compact and lightweight, at 400 grams or 14 ounces, which is 40% less than the 16-35 GM lens. The 11-blaze circular aperture provides soft bokeh, and the elements within the lens help suppress chromatic aberration, and it has 16 elements in 13 groups. The two linear motors provides precise, fast, and silent focus, which is especially great for video recording. You can see here the switch between the rock and the background, but you can also notice that with the human autofocus, the camera is tracking the person in the background, even if it's not facing the camera. The best experience that I had with this camera was actually using the 16mm and the close-up focus performance. The minimum focus distance is incredibly close, 0.18 meters. You can see in this shot I'm basically touching the tree. I have the center in focus, but I can still see on the side of the frame, which was really impressive. On the lens you have three control rings, the zoom ring, the focus ring, and the aperture ring. You also have a focus mode switch, the aperture ring on-off switch, and a customizable focus hold button. The diameter for screw-on filters is 67mm. This is an excellent lens if you want to get those wide shots. And at the same time you can zoom in and still take great portraits at 25mm. But in my opinion, it's a 16mm this lens really shines. Thank you so much Sony for loaning me the lens. If you have any question, please leave in the comment below, subscribe to Adorama TV, and I'll see you next time.